Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Benny channel. How was the exam grade 4? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna look at this paper. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. Let's go. Guys, summer school coming up. This is a number. Go to your parent right now. Tell them say you want to contact this person. Lennox Bennett to join his summer school. Alright, the spaces are filling up so fast. Let's go, let's go. It says 5492161. Let's get right into it. So it says there are 30 questions, so we can take about 15 minutes to complete. Examine the price of the pencil case and the pencil below. Use it to answer question 1 and 2. What is the price of the pencil case? I like this already. I like it. All right, so it's $934.50. So I think it's the first one, $934.50. This one says $934.05. $934.45. So yeah, it's definitely A. So it says 1 and 2. I like it. It's so colorful. I like it. I like it already. All right, so let's move on to number 2. Number 2 says, what is the value of 8 in the price of the pencil? What is the value of 8? All right, so that's $8. So it's 8 units or $8. Okay, so that's C. Have to be looking carefully, because these are set up so close. They have 8 cents, 80 cents, $8. All right, number 3 says, examine the piece of rope below. Use it to answer question 3. Which letter represents half the length of the piece of rope? All right, so we go. Let's see, we just do a little estimation. Then no L, man, then no L, then no L. Lennox Bennett for L. All right, so that's C. All right, 4 says the amount of money each student has is shown below. Use this information to answer question 4 and 5. Who has the largest amount of money? So Alex have $149. No. Susan $250. No. Dylan have $299. So that's the largest. So it's Dylan. So that's B. It did say for question 4 and 5. So let's see if we can get it here. Whose money is the closest to 200? That's gonna be a little bit tricky. Let's go. 200. It's definitely Kara. So she only need 2. Basically, she need what, $22. Yeah. This is $99 away. We did something like this. This is $50 away. We did something like this last night. So guys, everybody should be able to get these, So it's Kara. She's $178. That's the closest one. A bag has 30 mangoes is shared equally among 3 friends. Which of the following would result in the number of mangoes each friend receive? That's 10, so that's A, 30 divided by 3. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Examine the diagram representing 4 pizza below. The white section shows the amount of pizza slices that were eaten. Which pizza has 6 slices remaining? Which pizza has 6 slices of pizza remaining? So there's a so them eat 3 and them have 1, 2, 3, right? 6. Well, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's B. Because these are the ones that remain, right? Only 2 eat out of this. So it's B. Right, let's move on to number 8. The diagram below shows 6 students in their position during a race. The diagram shows Mark is in first place. Use this information and diagram to answer question 8. So you have Mark, Brian, Tim, Carla, Dan, and Jane. Which student was 2 places ahead of Carla during the race? 2 places ahead, so that would be Tim and Brian. So that's Brian, that's A. So guys, as I said, it's not always about calculation, sometimes about knowledge base as well. The diagram below shows some cars in a parking lot. Use it to answer question 9 and 10. Which is the correct representation for the total number of cars shown? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it 12 tens plus 0 ones? I doubt that, guys, because it's supposed to be 12. 2 tens plus 1 ones? No, I disagree with that. 4 tens plus 3 ones. It's actually 1 10 and 2 ones. So 1 10 is 10, and then you have 2 ones, which is 2. So that gives you the 12. If you have not liked the video, make sure you like it now. Alright, let's go. Examine the incomplete statement about the cars in the parking lot. There are blank group of 6 cars. So is it there are 1 group of 6 cars, or is it there are 2 groups of 6 cars? I'm definitely gonna go with 2 groups of 6 cars. Let's move on to number 11. Travis has the notes shown in the box below. Use them to answer question 11 and 12. Which of the following represent the total value of the note that Travis has? So we have $500, $600, $700. So it's supposed to be $750. New money, people, new money. So that's E. Travis used the 500 notes to buy Patty for $300. How much money does Travis have left? So it's gonna be 500. I see some hundreds in this, guys. I see some hundreds. What you guys say? How many you got so far? Right, let's move on to number 13 rather. It says 4 school bags are shown below. Each school bag has 6 books. How many books are there in all? So each have 6, right? So you have 6 groups in each. So that's 6 times 4. So that's 24 books. I swear so much book them popping up with in a real life. Guys, remember the summer school, Space is going up fast, alright? Don't want nobody say I don't advertise on my YouTube. I only advertise on my status. See there? WhatsApp me to get your child in the summer school. Once you come summer school, you automatically registered for September. Alright? Alright, says 549-2161. I have a link, I just send it to you and you sign up and you just make the payment, and that's it. Very easy. Ray is taking out all the boxes shown below in his car. Use the information to answer question 14. Ray has made 3 trips to his car so far. For each trip, he has taken 4 boxes to his car. For his final trip, how many boxes will Ray take to his car? So each trip he takes 4. So the first trip he took 1. No, let me do it the other way. Let us say this is what was the first trip. He took out 4, right? Second trip, he took out 4 as well. Alright. No, I'm right. 4 of them. I'm telling Mr. Bennett, man. What happened to you? See what up there, so Mr. Bennett? Focus, don't focus. Alright, so you said 3 trips. Alright, so the third trip, 4 again, because of 4 of them say. Each trip. Alright, so that's 2 leave. The last trip at 2. See there? 3 trips so far. For each trip, he has taken out 4. Alright, so 2 leave to the last trip. All right, let's move on to 15. There are 46 students in the math club at Shelley Primary School. Big up Shelley. For their meeting on Friday, 5 girls and 7 boys were absent. Which of the following would help to find the number of girls who were present for the meeting? Right, we're reason it out, guys, before we even make the answer. So it's a 46 students total. 5 girls were absent and 7 boys. So the absentees, right? People are always absent. Hope everybody are present for them exam. The number of boys were absent. Alright, your questions, which of the following would help you to find the number of girls who were present? No, no. The number of boys who were absent? Definitely not. The number of girls who were absent? Definitely not. The number of girls in the club? Definitely C. The number of students in the club? No, because some boys could be absent as well. So definitely work with C for that one. Examine the scale that Paul is using to weigh his purple toy car. Use it to answer questions 16 and 17. How much does Paul's purple toy car weigh? So it's between 4 and 5. Alright, so guess what? 4.5. The other one not really much the criteria. So we don't have to even count it. But we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4.5. Alright, 17. Paul also has a red toy car. His red toy car weighs 500 grams more than his purple toy car. How much does Paul's red toy car weigh? So I could convert the 4.5 into grams. So it's 4.5 kilograms. Oh, let me give you the answer in a kilogram. No, man. It's a half a kilogram. 500 grams, a half a kilogram. So you just add 0.5. But my students, them do that, So it's 5, guys. It's 5 kilograms. I thought the answer would have been in gram, but they put it to kilogram. Change it up. They change it up. But I know you guys were smart to figure it out. Netball practices begins at 23 minutes. Netball practice begins at 23 minutes to 3 o'clock. Which clock shows the time the netball practice begins? We could do the actual time, 25 minutes to. We could do the actual time. The actual time would have been 2:35. So we're going to talk about the actual time first, right? That's 25 to 3. So we are looking, it should be between 2 and we're going up by 5 with the meaning on 5, 10, 15. Look like a A, guys. It look like a A. It look like a A already. Yeah, definitely A. If we look at these, no. See there, 325, no, so it's a 3, it's a 4. Alright, and it said to 3 o'clock. So that's definitely A. Let's move on to number 19. Examine the picture of a school's football field below. Use it to answer question 19. The school wants to know the amount of space covered by the football field. They know they need the length of the football field. Which of the following does the school also need? Alright, so them say them want to find again. Is it the area? Look. The school wants to know the amount of space covered by the air. Yeah. So they need the width. Alright. So this one says the width of the goalpost. No, sir. The width of the football field. The width of the circle on the football field. The width of the school. So it's definitely the width of the football field. Not the goalpost. The goalpost is going to show the 18-yard box. Hope the girls figure that out, alright? A piece of stick is 55 centimeters long. How much shorter than 1 meter is this piece of stick? Now it takes 100 centimeters This is a repeater thing, you know. You take 100 centimeters to make 1 meter. So in essence, we're at 555 and we need to go to 100. How much more we need to go to 100? Hope my students figure this out. Alright, so that's what, 45? Yeah. Alright. Number summer school, guys. Go back for the number. Examine the part formed by the road in the picture below. Use it to question. Use it to answer this question. Alright. 21. Which street is perpendicular to Jones Street? So I'm going to find Jones Street first. Now this is Jones Street and it's going like that. Perpendicular means they meet at right angle. So this will be what? Log Street. Nice question, nice question. Big up on yourself. I like how you guys set the lower school test. Why the grade 6 test have some controversy sometimes. But I like this so far. I think it's reasonable. Alright, it says house. When she complete the drawing, will be able to fold the blue line. Let me see it from the top because it might be a miss up. Oh yeah, Samantha is drawing a symmetrical house. She completed one side of the house. When she complete the drawing, she will be able to fold along the blue line and see the same shape match exactly on each other. Use the house and this information to answer questions. Which of the following represent the complete drawing on the other side? Na 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 na. Alright, so it depends this side, so it's supposed to depend the left hand side. That's the first of all. But I not agree with C. C you know have the little dots. So that's a nonsense. So guess what? This me I go with, you know, me nah look up back on it. Let me look up on it here. Does it have a window? Hold on there. The window no depend this way. How will it go down? At this. Yeah. This not have no, you say this not have no window, Mr. Benny. The guy is not no window. It have to be the same shape. Alright, so that's B. Alright, it says Steph has grouped her puzzle pieces in the two sets as shown below. Use it to answer question 23 and 24. How has Steph grouped her pieces? Is it by color, by the width, by the type of pattern, or by the number of sides? Alright, so this have all of them have 4 sides and all of them have 3 sides. So it's definitely by the number of sides. Very nice one though. Alright, 24 says, which puzzle pieces has 2 angles that are less than 90 degrees? Look no further, that would be D, right? All of these, the square and the rectangle of 90 degrees. Examine the box below. Use it to answer question 25. Guys, again, see the summer school number here to call Mr. Lennox. Let's go. 876-549-2161. Alright, spaces are going fast, guys. Don't wait. The box has an example of with solid. This is a cube. No, a cube has all sides equal. A cuboid. Yes. Is it a cylinder? No. Is it a sphere? No. Sphere is a round thing, right? Cylinder, when you have the... You guys should know this too. And draw so accurate, you know, guys. That's the cylinder, right? Circular base. But this one is a cuboid. Cube of all sides equal. Alright, this one says the diagram below shows a balanced scale with equal weight on each side. Use it to answer question 26. Which number is represented by N on the balance? So first, we know we're gonna add this because they weigh the same thing. It's a 60. It's a 20 plus what? 20 plus what give you 60? A 40. Definitely 40. Alright, so N is equal to 40. They might introduce it to equations, guys. Grade 5 is gonna be more challenging. Start Mr. Benny class. A bicycle together with its price tag is shown below. Use it to answer question 27. Which of the following would result in the cost of 2 bicycles? So it can be n plus n or n times 2n. Oh, yeah. Them choose that one here. Alright? That would be the cost of. Alright, let's move on to 28. Examine the pie chart below. It shows Amy spends her money each day. Use it to answer question 28 to 30. So everything is going to be based on the pie chart. Amy's daily spending. On what? On what does Amy spend the most money? Definitely blue. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Hope you guys enjoyed your lunch today. So that would be B. That's half of the lunch money. On which two items did Amy spend the same amount of money? The same amount of money. So we can take out lunch. Definitely savings and snacks. So it's savings and snacks. Yeah, save man. Big up Amy, yeah, save. Alright, let's move on to the last one. Amy spends $600 for lunch each day. How much money does she spend in total each day? Now, half the lunch is half, which is $600. That means it's going to be 600 plus 600, which is 1200. Let's just go back up to the diagram so you guys can see that it's half. So see, lunch is 600. This is a half of it. So this side is going to add back to, this is actually what, 300. And this is 150 and 150. But we don't have to go so deep, right? Alright, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And parents, for the last time, I will leave a number. If you call me and don't get me, guys, just WhatsApp me. I'm probably on another call. These days I've been so busy. Just leave me a WhatsApp, put the child name, and I will get back to you on the grade. Alright, I will just send a link to sign it up, and then that's it. Send her the info, make the payment, and we have summer school. Alright, and you choose your time. Evening class almost full. So guys, join as quickly as possible. So I need to know if I'm gonna create more classes or what. But you have to do it early because I'm not gonna create the class until I have the persons for it. Alright guys, so I'm Lennox Benitamo, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care everyone. Alright, all the best guys. And congratulations. And welcome to the new students to my class. Welcome, welcome. Lennox Benit here, I'm out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in. Make sure you like the video.